roam around, I was wild. But now things have changed and I feel like, well, I'm a wanted man. I left my home, I left my field and everything that I had ever known. I played the cards that I was dealt and ended up on my own. Well, I'm trying just to cross this mountain. Oh, that devil woman, well, she ain't a friend of mine. Well, drinking ain't the same, 'cause I know I'm to blame for what I do. Well, lady, you're the reason why my best friend is a bar stool. I can't comprehend what all these people expect from me. Well, I just do the best I can of living here and trying to be free. Well, I'm trying